Certainly, the MutiFlex 3-in-1 flashlight is an impressive EDC multi-tool that combines essential functions into a compact and versatile package. Here's what makes it a must-have companion. The MutiFlex features a 1000 lumen torch, providing bright illumination for various scenarios. You can adjust the output levels to 17.5, 672, or 1000 lumens. Plus, the beam can be focused from flood to spotlight, reaching up to 300 meters. Beyond just a flashlight, the MutiFlex integrates 13 essential tools. Wire cutting pliers, handy for cutting wires or cords. Crescent wrench, useful for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. Can opener, perfect for opening canned goods. Bottle opener, crack open your favorite beverages. Knife, a sharp blade for various cutting tasks. Saw, ideal for small cutting jobs. Fuel-free electric arc lighter, ignite flames without fuel. Car window glass breaker, in case of emergencies. Power bank, charge your devices on the go with USB-C and USB-A outputs. Bit driver, includes flathead and hex bits. Plastic bottle cutter, transforms single-use drink bottles into plastic strips. Hook for hanging, use it as a ceiling lamp in your tent or attach it to a carabiner. N50 magnet, stick it to ferromagnetic surfaces. Durable construction, the MutiFlex is made of 420 stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and ABS polymer. It's IP66 water resistant, so it can withstand powerful jets of water. Compact and portable, measuring 220 mm long by 50 mm wide and weighing 887 grams, the MutiFlex is easy to carry wherever you go. Here are some of the pros and cons of the MutiFlex. Pros: 3-in-1 multifunctionality. Compact and foldable. Flashlight with multiple modes. Durable design. 306 static illumination. Cons: limited information. Mastery of multiple tools. Potential trade-offs for compactness. Sharp objects. Overall, the MutiFlex 3-in-1 flashlight seems like a potentially convenient EDC tool for those who value versatility and compactness. However, consideration of limited information on functionality and quality, potential trade-offs for size, mastery of various tools, and safety with sharp objects is important. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.